Hi, my name's Karsten. I'm Shaggy.
All right, that's Karsten and Shaggy, and this is Bree, and I'm going to show y'all how to scavenge today. Um, so pay attention. We're going to go shopping at Walmart, and we're going to see what's in stock without leaving the couch, and then we're just going to go pick it up. So I'm just at walmart.com and check and see if it's delivering to your zip code. Stop. So we're obviously probably all in Havelock. Let's just update the location. So just put in a search item. Like today, I tried to find surface wipes and household essentials delivering to 28532. Then we're going to come over here to store availability, and you're going to click store availability near 28532 or your zip code. And it automatically applies that. There's nothing else to click. Just click off the box. See, it's still there, store availability. And this is what you could pick up at the stores nearest you. Once you open it up, you can look a little farther and see which store it's available at. And that's how you know what's available near you. Let's do one that is in stock, and let's see what's available near us. Let's do baby wipes. So we're just at walmart.com. We're going to search for baby wipes. And as you can see here, there are a ton of wipes in stock. The next thing we're going to do is store availability. And you can see what you can go to your store nearest to you and pick up today. Let's see if we can find some toilet paper on March 20th. All right, toilet paper delivering to 28532. We're going to go to store availability, highlight store availability near 28532. Currently, Angel Soft is somewhere near us. It's an in-store purchase only. Currently, it's available at the Newport Walmart, the Newport family store. It's currently available, but there were other toilet paper options if you scroll down. We're starting to nail down when these items are being delivered on the trucks too. If you have any questions about that, I have a post going in another community group, and we can start one in our group if you're interested. These 6 packs, there's 3 left. They're in stock in New Bern. But this prevents a lot of running around, and most stores have their own search feature similar to that. That was expressly Walmart. But if you create an account, you can search in any website, basically. Just the same. It might take a little bit of trying, and if you need help, definitely reach out to me, and I'm sure there's other people who would be willing to help with that. Tag yourself in the comments if you can help people find things online. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me, and I hope you guys are staying safe and having a great day.